Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. With prayers to Ma Sharda, welcome to Rushi Academy. All dear students, you are waiting for your results of standard 10th, but you have to start standard 11th studies now. Okay, so welcome to Rushi Academy. This is a small counseling session. Okay, there are some questions from students as well as parents. Okay, I will address all the questions within 2 or 3 minutes. First question is, why to select science stream? Why to select science stream? Okay, the answer is, if you want to accept challenges in life, if you want to find the rules of nature, okay, if you are interested in research work, okay, if you want to contribute to the society by being a doctor or an engineer or a scientist, okay, this is a very good field. Science is a very good field. But the first thing is, you must be interested in it. Okay, you must ask yourself that are you curious? Are you interested to know things which are yet unknown? Okay, then only you select science. Okay, it is a very interesting field. Second is what? Okay, what to learn? In science stream, there are 2 groups, A and B. A group means maths group, B group means biology group. In A, physics and chemistry is common in both the groups. In A group there is maths, in B group there is a biology. Okay. In some countries like Canada, they require A plus B group to get admission in medicine. Just for your information, A plus B is very tough actually. But see, first of all, let us discuss A group. It is a maths. Okay. Now some parents are asking me that we are confused. Okay, which group we should select? So first of all, student must ask himself or herself. Okay, that is she good in logic? Okay, is she or he good in logic? Okay, first. Second, can he imagine things? Okay, in that case, maths is okay. Okay, but if he has good memory power as well as patience, okay, and is interested in some special fields like genetics or virology or medicine, like that, then it is a big group. Okay, now fourth question is exam system. Okay, we are in Gujarat board or CBSE. Okay, so board conducts one exam. Okay, in Gujarat board it is 50-50 theory MCQ, and in CBSE sometimes it is all MCQs. Now that is level 1. Okay, but to get admission in premier colleges like IITs, NITs, okay, and as well as in all medical colleges, for all engineering colleges there is a JEE, joint entrance exam. Okay, for maths group it is upper level of GUJCAT. Okay, and it has also 2 levels, mains and advanced. Okay, in which the questions are not of 1 marks. In GUJCAT, questions are of 1 mark. Okay, in JEE as well as NEET, questions are of more marks than 1. Now NEET is an entrance test for all medical and related branches. Okay, so you can select any of the group. Okay, and first of all, always keep in mind that how to learn. Okay, so most of the when I come across the YouTube channels and my other colleagues, they are running private classes and private schools, always give advice about how to score marks. But I differ in this regard. Never go after marks. Okay? You must learn to earn knowledge. Okay? Knowledge is the power. In Yajurveda, it is called Ketum Krunavanna Ketave. Agyaniyon ko Gyan do. So, your focus is to earn knowledge. If you have knowledge, your concepts are clear, your foundation is clear in 11th and 12th standard, you can fight any battle. Okay, marks will be a subsidiary. Okay, it is a secondary result of knowledge. So don't learn or don't study to earn marks. Always study to earn knowledge. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, I will be giving lectures on physics and maths. Initially, it will be of small time durations. Then we will increase it. Okay, bye. All the best.